Hey, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. So this is the Morphing Navigation project, the second video. This is exactly where we left from the first video, right? So the purpose of this video is to incorporate the jQuery functionality to this navigation icon. So let's do it. So in the body, in the end of the body, just everything after within the body end section, just before the body ends, in here we're gonna inject the script type. The source is going to be JS because that's the folder we kept our jQuery file, library file, and we won't need this character set in there. Just remove it, and the script tag in there. Alright, so alright, let's make the font bigger. So basically what we will be doing is that we will be targeting this icon. Okay, so wherever we have this navigation icon class, that's where we're going to target. Okay, so navigation icon class, I'm gonna copy this class. So in the script tag, it's okay. So in the script tag, we're gonna write the jQuery code first. So it's like writing the document.ready function, same thing, short version. Save the file, then we're gonna add the navigation icon class in there, in the jQuery object. We're gonna give a quote in there, and this navigation icon class in there with the dot, right? So dot click, we're gonna incorporate a click function in there. So in here, so basically what it is doing is that any website element that has this navigation icon class, okay, so we're going to add a click function with this class element. Okay, so wherever it is the navigation icon class stays, we're gonna incorporate the click function with this. Okay, so let me write the next code, then I'll try to explain. So we're gonna add the jQuery $sign again and double quote in there, and we're gonna target the main navigation. So this navigation, and I'll be explaining in few seconds. Okay, so what I'm doing. Alright, so navigation, then dot, we're gonna add a toggle class in there, and the selector is going to be navigation open. Alright, and that's it. Let's save it. Is single quote, double quote is okay, both are okay in here. Okay, so basically what we did is that whenever we click on this navigation icon class, wherever it is, okay, so currently it is in the navigation icon. So whenever we click on this, we want something to happen to the navigation. Okay, so when we click on this navigation icon, we want something to happen to this navigation area, right? So this is the navigation class that holds everything in here. So we want to toggle a class, another class. That class has not been created yet. Okay, so that's the navigation open class. So whenever we click on this navigation icon in the navigation area, in the navigation, within the navigation, a navigation open class will be added, and that will do some task for us, job for us. Okay, so that's the concept in here. All right, you get it? Let's save it. So this is our jQuery code. That's it. That's all. So we need this class, toggle class. We need to copy this. We go back to our CSS, and we're gonna let's grab the comment tag style. Let's put it in here so that we know that this is where the jQuery class comes from. jQuery navigation open, navigation open. All right, so we know that after we write everything in here, it means that what we are going to do in here is that it means that we are doing it in the under this class, navigation open class. Okay, all right, so we got this class from the jQuery. Okay, so toggle class, this is the toggle class, navigation open. So whenever we click on this icon, it is going to add an additional class within this navigation. That's what it's saying. Okay, so basically what we want is that when we click on the navigation icon, all right, in here, then we want this to be here. So we need to write in here we could leave it like this, but let's okay, so let's do it freshly. So navigation width, when the navigation is open, we want our navigation to have a width of 400 pixels. Height is going to be 100%. Display will be block. Then the background will also be white. And then also we need to give it a position like the original navigation. Okay, so and the left position should be like 50%. Just put 50%. Yeah, so let's test it. So it's gonna work right away. So everything looks just fine. So when we click on this, it expands to 400 pixels. Okay, right now it's set to 350 pixels, right? So let's check it. There you go. It moved from the left to the right side. All right, but we don't want that jump, and we don't want that 50%. Okay, so left is going to be 0. So let's click. Yeah, that's what we want. All right, it's working now. So we have successfully incorporated our jQuery function in there. Okay, so let's make it 350 pixels. Let's make the original navigation 100 pixels. Will make sense. Okay, so there we go. All right, exactly what we wanted. All right, so let's fix this logo. All right, so basically we can end this in here, this tutorial. Let's make it short, let's make it fun, let's make all our videos fun. Okay, not boring. So Now that we have incorporated our click function, we are done with this tutorial. All right, so in the next video I will be fixing all the positioning issues in here, and we will be adding the transition so that it is smoothly slides in and out, and I will do that in the next video. So I will catch you in the next video. Thank you for your time. Take care.